Hey y'all, this is Downsiphon Safety, and I am on the fire alarm technicians and collector server, and I'm joined with a few friends, or acquaintances. Oh no. You okay?
My popcorn.
Oh no. Oh boy. I think.
Is that slow march time?
Okay guys, so I'm back here. You can see that I have a smoke alarm mounted onto the wall. I was originally going to make an installation time-lapse video, but apparently that failed because the installation kind of got messed up and didn't go according to plan. But anyways, I have this mounted, and yeah. So this here is a Panasonic model SH828455K802. You can see here that there's a label saying that it has been certified by the National Fire Safety Commissioner or something, and yeah. So this here uses the photoelectric detection principle. You can see there's a really big head, large head there, and also has a 10-year battery in the back. So, right, and now on for a quick little bit of specs that make the smoke detector a little bit more interesting than American smoke detectors. First of all, you will notice that there's in the location. If I zoom it out a little bit. So you can see here that the detector head is about 50 centimeters from the corner of this wall to the center of the detector head. This smoke detector specifically specifies that you need to have at least 15 centimeters from the top of the ceiling to the center of the detector head if you're mounting it on a wall application. However, if you are doing it on the ceiling here, you have to have it at least 60 centimeters away from the wall. Instead of the 4 inches, they want an actual 2 feet of space between here and the wall. In addition to that, you have the air conditioning space requirements, where it requires at least 1.5 meters or about 4 or 5-ish feet of clearance between ceiling fans, air vents, air conditioning systems, etc. And yeah, here, if I go down a little bit more, there's a bit of string. And this here is attached to this little button. You can see it's sort of wiggling around. This says, let's see, alarm stop, or alarm silence if you want to be more fancy. It's basically the test button, and it also checks the current status. So we'll go ahead and push it. So it made a beep, and it said that it was normal. And then the same thing happens if you pull the string. And you can adjust the string to any length you'd like. Alright, so I'll go ahead and do a quick demonstration with this and along with the smoke saver. Alright, so here we go with the test. 3, 2, 1. That's a bit too close, but it's alright. Should go off momentarily. It should. Oh, there we go. How about let's test the hush feature too. We'll test the hush feature as well. So it should go off again. Alright, now the system's been hushed. When you push the button, it will say the current status as we did earlier. So it's going to say that it's in alarm still. Still, it's if you push it, the siren will go off. Let's get that cleared out. Should be cleared now. Okay. Oh, it's still an alarm. Give it a minute to clear out. Now, just a quick note. This will also tell you if there is a battery trouble or if there's a system fault. Oh, still an alarm. We'll go ahead and reset it. So this battery comes out like this, and is connected with 2 pigtail wires. To plug it, you take it out, and then it's easy to replace. Place it, you get the new battery and plug it back in. We'll make sure it's working correctly. Oh, seems like it wasn't enough. We'll wait for a couple seconds. Single bedroom. So this makes it very convenient if you don't have hardwired, and especially if you happen to live in an older home where they don't have mains electricity and wired interconnection. So they make similar models for wireless, and that makes it very convenient. So yeah. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, do whatever you want. And yeah, this smoke detector right now is mounted in my room for your reference, and I'll be including this in most smoke detector tests. So I will see you all later, and bye-bye. So, Fire Alarm Inc. 24, did you ever get your popcorn back?
Good question. Actually, no, I
The
didn't.
smoke alarms are going off.
I'm sitting here talking to you.
Oh no. So, yeah. Oh boy.
I blame you for this because you're the one who wanted me to be in the video, so.
You wanted me to be in the video first. Okay.
If my house burns down, you're on full responsibility.
I shouldn't be.
Well, that's what you are.
Alright, fine. By the way, Mini-Man, how dare you ditch our party?